Guys, demo lang namin our newest 12-inch. Ito yung pinakamalaki. We're installing it here on a Lexus. So 12-inch camera with Android Auto. So 12-inch yan. Full touchscreen. Yan o, pwedeng half. Super linaw. Then Wi-Fi din siya. So you can send it on your phone. Then Android Auto and Waze. Pwede ka mag-Waze dito. So we'll show you. So yan, inactivate na namin yung Android Auto. Ito pa rin yung dash camera mo. Ito yung music sa phone ko. Ito yung Waze. High-tech, di ba? So ito yung top of the line namin. Ito yung latest. Then palakihin lang natin. I'll show you. Ito yung mga Waze natin. So yan, mas malaki siya. Then ayan yung camera niya. So meron na siyang Waze at saka Android Auto. Yan yun. It's our best selling ngayon. Pinakamalaki namin, 12-inch. Ito yung top of the line namin with Android Auto na siya. So send us a message. We'll book you a schedule. 12-inch siya. Android Auto. Yung managahanap. Wi-Fi. Ito yung pinaka high-tech namin na dash camera with Android Auto. Thank you.